In this lecture, you will learn how to use Google search suggestions as keywords for your posts or articles on your website. I am in google.com website. So now let me search for Android. See, I get some suggestions such as Android Device Manager, Android Studio, and Android Marshmallow. Now I have got three suggestions. If I want to write any article on Android Device Manager, then I will click on Android Device Manager suggestion. And if I go below or the bottom of this page, I get further narrowed down related keywords for Android Device Manager. So I can start writing any article based on these keywords, such as Android Device Manager location history or location unavailable. This is some kind of help tutorial because many users or people would be searching for Android Device Manager location unavailable. And if you provide some solution for this problem, if people like your tutorial or the solution for this particular topic, such as Android Device Manager location unavailable, then people will automatically look for other solutions on your website for different queries or problems. And if they like that too, then eventually they will become your subscribers. This is how you can build a loyal base of subscribers. But when you search for Android by just going to Google or on your search bar, you should notice that Google automatically redirects you to your localized domain. Since I am in India, Google takes me to google.co.in instead of google.com. Here, my keyword suggestions are different from those who are in United States or United Kingdom. So if I want to target users on United States, I should go to google.com and then search for my keyword. See, if you want to convert this into google.com, you just need to select the dot in or select from co.in and then replace it with com. Here are the results that I get for com. You can see that these results are completely vary from google.com to google.co.in. Not only Google, Bing also provides search suggestions or related searches. And those related searches on Bing need not be the same thing with Google, so you get a complete set of different keywords. For Android, the related searches from Bing is completely different with Google. Similarly, for best smartphone, Google gives me these related searches, whereas Bing gives me these related searches. But the only drawback with Bing is it gives you localized related searches. In Google, we were able to move from google.co.in to google.com, whereas in Bing, it always gives you the localized result, whereas the domain still is bing.com, so you cannot do manually anything. And here comes the suggestions for smartphone news keyword in Google and the same in Bing. So these are some simple tips which you can just do in a sort of 1 to 2 minutes before writing an article based on a particular keyword. In the next lecture, you will learn how to find out the top performing keywords of your website.